This is a cell phone holder I got so that I can put my cellular phone on my desktop in a nice way and that I can see it all the time. I'm gonna use it also for my iPad. That is my 9.7 inches iPad. So it comes with screws and Allen wrench, and this is the base. You just insert it in the base, and then it's very important to put the screw so that everything is tidy together. So they got you 2 screws. Of course, you're gonna use only one. The second one is a spare in case you lose the first one. So put it in and make sure to hold the neck with your finger, otherwise the neck will go up and the screw will not go in. The screw is a bit tight to put in, but go ahead and tighten it. And this is the base assembled. It's really tidy and it's really elegant. You can even put the cable, like it has a place for the cable, as you see. And it goes up and down. It's a little bit rough to put it up and down, but it's not a big deal, and it's better because this way it doesn't like go down with the weight of the device. And as you see, this is my 9.7 inches iPad, and it holds it very well and it doesn't go down.